This is day 30, skating coast to coast, making a new painting daily and raising money for kids' art supplies. And the weather is cooperating greatly. Another rainy day. Good morning, this is day 30, skateboarding coast to coast, making a new painting daily, raising money for kids' art supplies. It's another rainy, cloudy day, but what are you gonna do? I gotta be honest, I'm really disappointed in myself. I feel like I haven't been making the forward progress that I should be so far on this trip. And I mean, I'm loving every moment of it. And these paintings are super fun. The interactions I've been having with people along the way have been nothing short of amazing. The support that I've been getting, the love that I've been getting from everyone that's watching this go down is incredible. But I feel like I'm falling short. I feel like I may have had a higher hope or a little bit more expectations as to the impact I would be able to have with this project. And I don't know what it is about me or the way that I'm approaching this, but I feel like I'm not really getting the reach that I had hoped for. And I'm not super concerned with, you know, a number of followers that I attain from doing this. It's more so just the people that resonate with the mission and the people that can follow along and support the cause. I feel like I am not getting the interactions that I had hoped for, and this project isn't receiving the donations that I wished we would be able to do. And I'm trying my hardest out here. I am working my butt off. I am skating all day, painting through the days and into the night, filming the whole time, you know, editing all of this stuff, trying to do my social media. I created a nonprofit organization. I am putting in the work. The preparation for this trip has been absolutely absurd, and I love it, and I chose this, and I am so blessed to have this opportunity to follow my passions of art and travel and skateboarding and taking my creativity and doing something special with it and having people to watch this journey and cheer me on. And thank you all so very much for following and for supporting. And I feel all the love. I just have to be brutally honest with myself and express the fact that I'm disappointed and I feel like I'm failing to a certain degree. I feel like I'm not captivating people the way that I need to have the type of success that I hope for this campaign. I'm trying to do a good thing. I'm trying to do a beautiful thing and raise money for kids' art supplies. And everyone who's donated so far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I just know that I could reach more people, and I just know that we can have a greater impact, but something's not hitting right. And I don't know what that something is. I don't know if it's I took too long to pull the trigger on making this trip and a handful of people already did a cross-country skate, so this isn't entertaining enough. I don't know if I speak too monotone, I don't excite people. I can't just go and say, oh, the algorithm, but it's a trip, you know? And I'm in high spirits. I love this. I love being here. I love every moment of this. I love all the interactions I've had with all of you so far. I feel like I'm not doing enough. And I need to do something different to make a lasting change with this project. I feel like the Pushing the Art project has a lot of power and it has a lot of energy and has a lot of soul to it. And I just want to reach more people and I just want to do big things with it. And I'm not going to let this energy slow me down. I'm not gonna let it make me upset about it. I just gotta push a little bit harder. I just gotta keep pushing. That's all I can do. That's all I got for right now. I gotta get something to eat. I gotta feel motivated even though this weather is really not doing it for me. But today's gonna be a good day. You know what? It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be the best day yet. I made it a month, 30 days out here doing the thing, chasing my dream, and that's what it's all about. So thanks for watching. Sorry for all this, but I love you all, and I'll see you on the road. Windy one. Windy, windy roads. Got this gravelly road for miles and miles. I don't know if they're like halfway into paving it and it's just like a cheese grater right now. Why that is, but at least there's not too many cars. I'm hoping that I get some smooth roads up ahead, but just gotta keep pushing. Alright, it's raining. This road is made out of dirt and gravel. It's terrible. It's sketchy. Ah, sick. I can't remember the last time I seen it rain this hard. I'm sitting under a tree, but it's not doing much. This is crazy. Oh, I guess I gotta wait it out. Mother Nature must have heard me complaining today and has opened up the skies for me. This is day 30, skateboarding coast to coast, making a new painting daily and raising money for kids' art supplies. I'm on my way to Nashville, Tennessee, and it's raining. Hey cows. How are you cows? You're pretty. Gates open. Bye cows.